Yes, welcome to our YouTube channel, the Hair Zipper. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master, and today I'm going to show you how you can plait long spring twist. Yes, spring twist, and very neat. Yeah, some people they've been asking me like, how do I do my spring twists very neat and long? So this is it. I want to show you how you can do them. We are going to take all these steps so that you also get to learn, and you will try it out. You will see how it will come out. So for today, I chose to use two colors, the purple and black. So if I use those two colors, it doesn't be too much. Yeah, it doesn't be too much. So hoping that if even someone office can still use it, it's not too much, black and purple. So here is, I crochet one color like this, then I pull it up to the end, then I bring another one on that same hole. Yes, I crochet another one, the black, and I also pull it so on the other side, just like that. So when I pull it, I just join them. You see, I join them together to make that twist. You see, so that means my twist is going to be long. So I have let's try to hurry so that we do it. I will show here in front because we are running out of time. They were yet to close the building, but I had to teach you this. So let's try to hurry. I'm going to show you in front how you can do the long spring twist. You just relax, you will see it. Don't go away, just keep on watching. I will show you here in front how you can do the spring twist, because they want to close the building. So I'm trying to hurry, and we are just going to be many. We're going to work as a team as usual so that we finish. And if we don't, probably we'll have to come back tomorrow and we finish her. So let's keep doing this. Hey, I think the time is going to be bad for us. Let's try to do as a team, because I told you, like, for us here, we always do as a team so that we can get over this one. But trust me, I'll have to show you. So you're just going to do it chap here with all my colleagues, so that you see how we are trying to be faster, because trust, they are trying to close us. Yeah, but we shall have to learn it. Trust me, we shall have to learn, and you will learn how we do the spring twist. Trust me. Yes. And yes, shout out to all my friends. Please stay safe. You see. Yeah, we didn't finish last night, so I'm trying to do it today so that we can finish it. But she's the same person. Yeah, just because we didn't finish. So let's learn this. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Please just take on it and we learn. when I'm doing it, the twisting, I try to, you see how I keep on pulling, so that my spring twist can be neat. Yes, it does. It doesn't need to have those things inside, so you just have to keep on pulling it. As you can see, you keep on pulling it as you're twisting, so that you make it look longer, very long and neat. You can see how I do it. So spring twist is very easy to play it. It's very easy to play it as long as you just keep on pulling it just like that. Yeah, I'm going to show you how you can start yours. Like, you bring the first braid just like that. You see, that is black. Then the same thing, I bring the purple. Yes, sorry. Yeah, the same thing, I bring the purple crochet. I bring the purple braid of my soft kinky. So I press it just just next to where I press the black. Then I pull it up to the end and the other one up to the end. You see, then it's where I just twist it. You see, yes, very simple, very simple. I just twist it like that. You see how it's coming out. Yes, just like that. So there, when you do that, your spring twist is going to become very, very long, very long. So those people have been asking me how you can do how do I do my spring twist very long and very neat. This is the only trick I always use to make it very, very neat and nicely. So and another thing, when you're trying to twist it, yes, please try to make your hands very firm, like keep just twist it like hard. Yes, so that it becomes neat. You can see how it is coming out. You see, yeah, this is how I do my twisting, and I know you also learning something from it. So let's keep on doing this together. Yeah, let's keep on doing this together. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see our pictures, you can go on our website, that is www.hairzippers.com. on Instagram, Facebook, the same name, Hairzipper, so that you also see the pictures of other different hairstyles. Yeah, this is going to help you maybe to also get some questions that you'd want to ask. Yes, like how I also do those hairstyles. Still, I'll keep on answering you, and we keep on sharing the ideas, because that's what I want most, like sharing the ideas. You see how my spring twist is long and neat. Yes, this is how I keep on doing it. So I can leave you by now. Let me sign out. I see you next time. And by the names of Maurice, the crochet master, I love you so much, and please stay safe. May God bless you. And coronavirus is serious. Yeah. So God bless you. Stay safe. See you. Next time on our other lesson that we shall be learning. So don't forget to subscribe. I love you. May God bless you.